Hi, this is Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas Brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas Brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate, because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. Welcome back, pilots. You're tuning in to a very special recap of the 200th episode of the Atlas Brew. That's right, 2,000 years in metaverse time, making this one of the longest-running weekly shows in the entire Web3 space. To celebrate the milestone, the team brought some serious heat, ranging from deep space combat leaks to a first look at the future of the Star Atlas RPG. The energy kicked off with a deep dive into the progress of Star Atlas C4. We got a first-hand look at the new fleet UI, and let me tell you, it is looking slick. The team showcased how players will be able to customize ship configurations across 6 different fronts, with stats like scanning power and mining output shifting dramatically based on your build. It's clear that crafting and component upgrades are going to be the heart of the gameplay loop, and the team hinted that we might be seeing more testing opportunities sooner than you think. In a fun side note, they also experimented with some AI-generated video showing off dry water, a native resource you'll eventually be hunting down in the depths of the Gluia expanse. The discussion then shifted to a major milestone for the lore lovers in the community. Jindo announced the very first Star Atlas RPG campaign, titled Ember Coil. He's looking for 4 or 5 brave community members to join him in a broadcasted tabletop-style adventure. They've already drafted the first rulebook, and tomorrow's Lore Keepers session will be the place to find out how you can apply to be one of the first protagonists in this expanding universe. In other news from the event, we got the full scoop on the upcoming Super Phoenix boss event in Holo Sim. This is a massive moment for the community, as it marks the first ever boss event in Star Atlas history. Starting soon, the Super Phoenix and its supporting fleets will begin hourly raids on faction starbases. It's going to be a game of attrition, requiring players to band together to defend their infrastructure, or, if you're feeling spicy, you might even find yourself tailing the Phoenix to help take down a rival faction's base. John also dropped some major leaks regarding the HoloSim economy. To keep the power curve balanced, the team is limiting crew purchases and introducing a brand new class of unmanned drone ships from manufacturers like Calico and Visas. These drones, specializing in firepower, repair, and shielding, will be high-tier craftables in the future, but will debut soon in HoloSim to help players beef up their fleets without needing extra crew. As we look toward the horizon, the roadmap for Chapters 3 and 4 is taking shape. While Chapter 2 focused on mining and reliability, Chapter 3 is all about the data runner life, introducing new scanning mechanics, dynamic marketplace pricing, and a standalone repository that should speed up development. They even teased that basic mobile web accessibility is slated for early May, allowing you to check on your crafting jobs right from your phone. Before wrapping up, the team gave a huge shout-out to community member Dark Void for his help with bug tracking, and reminded everyone that the current mining leaderboard snapshot happens this Monday at midnight UTC. If you were listening live, the special celebration code was 200. A nod to the incredible journey so far. That's the wrap for this historic 200th brew. If you want to be part of the first RPG campaign, or get the full details on the Super Phoenix event, make sure to tune into the Lore Keepers session tomorrow. See you in the stars, and remember, it's victory or victory.